Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Google Chrome language back to English in case you accidentally swapped it to a language that you do not understand. So go to the top right hand corner, the three dots. You're going to go down to the bottom of this menu and you're going to pick the third option. So 1, 2, 3. Right now I have mine set in Italian, and I know a little bit, but I don't know enough where I could do everything that I need to have done. So over at the bottom left hand corner, you're going to be looking for this little globe icon. Click on that. And now for me, I've got one that will say Inglese, which would be Italian for English. For you, you probably have something else there, but you should see whatever language you switched it to, and then you'll have your other options below that. So once you have that, you're going to want to go to the three dots, and you're going to want to click on the checkbox right here. That will change it to the Google Chrome language. So click on that, and then you're going to click the button right next to it. And now your language is back to English. I hope this video helped you. Have a good day. Bye.